at Toys R Us. Doing what? Wow. 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 What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're shopping.
For what? Who are we shopping for? Little baby brother or sister?
The baby.
We're gonna pick the baby out. We don't know if it's a boy. We don't know if it's a
girl.
But we're gonna be letting Anthony pick something gender neutral for the baby. You ready, buddy?
We're gonna give you a lot of toys on my baby brother and sister.
Why'd you run out of breath?
Because it's sister.
What?
Sister.
So you're gonna pick out a nice outfit and a nice little toy for your baby brother or your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're gonna pick out a cool one? Yeah? You ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Alright.
Okay.
Now just walk.
Are you serious? Alright, climb out. Be careful.
Can you help me?
Be lifted.
Alright, let's walk. Go! Alright, we gotta
Sorry
find.
about that. Sorry about that.
Come here. Oh, look.
Oh yeah. Let's get these three baby girl.
But what if it's a boy?
And you can get one for my boy.
Not getting two pairs. You have to get something
Mommy.
gender
How cute
neutral.
is that?
What is it?
It's a swing, but it's in the shape of a car.
Mommy.
That's lame.
Mommy.
Just kidding. That's not. It's pretty cool actually. It's just lame that I don't get to go on it.
Well, you could, but it'll break.
Oh, my leg! Back to basics. This is what you had when you were little, Anthony. Just all the blue and green stuff. I want the pink stuff.
The tummy tippy bottles.
Look, Oliver has this.
Yeah? Pick your favorite one, buddy.
Baby football.
Ooh, a baby football. That's good. That's a good idea. What if it's a girl?
How much good a girl is?
You gotta get something that's like in between though.
This.
Why do you like that one? Oh, that one's kind of cool. Okay, I like that one.
That one's cool.
Which one?
Oh, look.
This face one. Is she cool?
Oh, I thought this was the ones where you pull. Oh, like this one. Ready?
Baby sister one with this.
Anthony, grab one toy and one outfit. Two food packages.
Yeah, so
A
this
good one and a yucky one. We have don't move, see? Alright, sweet potatoes and beets and orange banana. You're gonna listen. Put them behind your back and don't show mommy, and we're gonna let her pick a hand. Whatever one she picks, she has to try it. Alright?
Take a flavor out of applesauce.
Alright you guys, so this is the one that Dingle Mom picked.
Close
Let's
it.
see if she likes it. We're gonna have her try it. Alright, Dingle Mom, eyes closed. Eyes closed.
Alright.
Don't look, no cheating.
Can I do it?
I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just squeeze it.
No, but don't squirt the whole thing.
I'm not. Ready? Go. That's not bad. Try it again. Try to figure out what flavor it is.
Banana.
Good guess.
One more taste to figure out the other flavor.
Hold on.
One more taste.
Banana. I already figured it out. It's banana.
Okay, there's one more flavor. One more taste to figure out the flavor. Open. It's not bad. You know it's
Mango?
not bad. Nope. Okay.
No, I don't need
one
any
taste.
more.
So you figure it out. You can get another taste.
No, I don't want to eat the whole thing. I want to say it was orange and banana.
Yes, there you go. You don't have to guess anymore. All right. What do you think your little baby brother or sister?
How do I get this?
Teletubbies?
Yeah, it's
See, you guys hear that? You guys hear the fart sound? Look, you see a green fog? Uh-oh, someone must be laying some deadly ones. That sound is definitely coming from the ceiling. Say, stop making all the noise.
Stop making all the noise.
Yeah. You're gonna draw me?
Yeah.
You're like Harold in the Purple Crayon. Alright, let's see you draw something nice. Ready? Draw something. How'd you do that? How'd you actually draw something on here?
Whoa! Secret powers?
Alright, peace out, Anthony.
How cute is this?
Psych! Psych again! Give me a little baby lamb.
Ew.
You're a little baby.
Garbage.
Your baby robe.
It gave me up.
Come here.
Alright, you guys, so this is the tricky part. Is that the baby is no gender yet. I mean, the baby has a gender, but what are you doing?
We're gonna make you buy this.
What is it?
So that when the baby has boogies and I can't get it out with a little
I'm not sucking the
Uncle
baby's...
Crush is gonna go
Nope.
and suck it out.
Nope. I mean, I have a very weak stomach. I will throw up in like 2 seconds. But here's the tricky part. Alright, so the baby has a gender. We don't know what the gender is yet. We will know soon, and you will too. But in the meantime, we're trying to figure out what exactly to get that works for boys and girls.
What should we get, guys?
So we're gonna show you. You'll see by the end of the video what we got. But why don't you guys give suggestions of other things that we should get?
Oh, and also I need for all of you to give me ideas on baby names, boy and girl.
Yes, that's what we've been stuck on. Baby names. Like I was thinking Uncle Crusher Jr. She was thinking Dingle Mom Jr.
No, I wasn't. No.
But not an Anthony Jr. Maybe an Antonia? No.
Antoinette.
If it's a girl, Antoinette or Anthony Jr. Jr.
I know Anthony Jr.
Comment and let us know which ones you thinking. Which ones you thinking?
I need to find a baby's clothes. I need to find a baby's clothes.
Anthony, you got a horse?
Yeah.
What's the horse's name?
Coca.
Excuse me, Anthony. Can I interest you in a non-movable burger? Never mind. Sorry, you're not gonna eat. You're gonna have to starve. I'm sorry. No burgers for you ever. What up, peeps? So we just ran into Cindy over here while we were trying to find some baby stuff. You gonna help us find some baby stuff? All right. So Dingle Mom is pregnant, okay, and we're trying to figure out if we should be getting boy stuff or girl stuff. All right. So we're getting kind of gender neutral stuff. So we're getting boy stuff and girl stuff that could be worked. That's both, right? Do you think it's gonna be a boy or a girl? Take a look at Dingle Mom. Let's see. What do you think? You think it's gonna be a boy or a girl? You can't guess just by looking, but what do you think? Let's see if you're right. We're gonna know in a few weeks. He says a boy? Alright, I like that. I said a boy too. I said a boy too. Remember that.
I said boy.
You say boy too? That's what we're hoping for. We're hoping for a boy. We need a football team.
I'm hoping for a girl. I want a little girl.
No, it's gonna be a boy. Sydney, thank you for watching our channel. Everybody, this is Sydney, and we got some of our fans out while we're shopping. Hi. Were you just dancing? Anthony, you know you gotta take the tags off when you wear glasses, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put this on.
You just leave it like that for now?
Yeah.
But it looks
But
goofy.
I'll just take it off.
Alright, cool. Nice shades you got there.
Thanks. So since we couldn't find any clothes, I think I'm just gonna pick something from over here because they have like a bathrobe, they have blankets and stuff. So I'm thinking if everyone's cool with it. Ooh, this blanket's cute. Look. What do you think? It's yellow. It's not blue or pink.
That one's nice.
I like it.
What's on there?
Giraffe.
Oh, that's good.
It's cute, right? You like this? It's soft. Look, feel. Okay, you hold it. I like it. I like it a lot.
Alright, now we just gotta pick out one of the toys in our thing.
All right, we gotta decide.
We gotta decide between our toys.
All right,
What do we got?
let me see. See, this is more like a girl's toy, so we can't get this one. Okay, so this one's a good one. Uncle Crusher likes this one too. It's kind of big, no?
No.
This one's cute too, but if we have a little girl, we'll have to come back.
Oh yeah, because since we're not sure, it has to be neutral.
Yeah.
That's a little. No, that's not really neutral.
No. We could get like a ball. I know, but we can't get them because we don't know what we're having yet. Or this one. See this one? This one would have been cute.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back
For a little
and see.
girl.
Yeah. Well, let's go back and see if we can find a ball that's like, I don't know, yellow or something like that. Let's see.
Alright.
So I think, what about this one? You like this one? Look, with the rocket.
No.
This
one. That was good.
Yeah, this one's more like baby.
Alright, cool. So we got the towels and we got a toy. The baby's first.
Very first stuff. You guys saw it here first. Alright, you hold it. Alright, what else? We better get out of here before I start buying the whole store.
We got it? We good?
We good.
Good. Alright, well, you think the baby will like any board games?
Yeah, why not?
Like which ones?
Oh, you know, like apples to apple. Ooh, Uno jackpot.
The baby, not you.
Oh, I thought you meant me, like. Hey, baby.
Oh, that one's heads up. That's heads up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Go.
Banana peeling. Pineapples. The guy. What is his name from the movie Trolls? Branch?
Wrong.
Why?
Wrong again.
Why?
Wrong again.
It's broken. It's broken.
The baby can't play board games
Why not?
till he is older.
So
His name is Branch.
His name is Branch?
He or she.
Oh my gosh,
This is my favorite. Oh, I found my dress. I'm ready.
sing.
This is so cute. Oh, can we buy this for me? No? Anybody? Somebody?
Anybody? You wanna buy?
Ow, ow, ow. What?
Sing.
Sing.
Who's that?
Who's this?
Koala.
It's a Mr. Moon.
Mr. Moon.
Who's this?
Johnny, I'm gonna get him Johnny.
Yeah. Wait. I've never seen this one before. What's this?
And you're not getting the Johnny.
We're not getting Johnny. Come on.
You forgot. Anthony's getting a toy.
Ew.
I want a
We are
toy.
ready to check out.
Have a toy.
Oh,
Can I have
model.
it? Can I have it?
You want it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you that. I'll get you that.
Can you give me the blue one?
The blue one or the green one? The green one's gonna probably taste better.
The green one is
All right, we'll get you a big
I want
lollipop.
the green one. I want apple.
All right. Look for it. You ready? Good? You good? You got a good big blow pop?
Yeah,
Guys, look.
Who remembers when we did Bean Boozled?
With baby.
That was so funny. Faith put a mouthful of wipes into her mouth.
Yeah.
A mouthful of wipes, a handful of wipes into her
I
mouth.
said,
Ew, ugh.
I said,
All right, we got what we came for. Let's
are
go
ready to
check
go.
it out.
No, let go. Let go. Pew, pew, pew.
Give me my sword. Give me what's Can you get me?
Okay.
I'm gonna get this big thing.
You say successful shopping trip? I'll take that as a yes.
Yes.
Did we do good, Anthony? Did we do good?
Yes.
Did we do good?
What did we get for Anthony? Look. A big lollipop.
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 All right, that was nice, bud. All right, let's go. Good job, you guys.
Make sure to comment down below and everybody, peace.